Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a charcuterie number for my son's first birthday. So this was super easy and it was amazing for the whole family. Everybody enjoyed it. So I got the letters from Hobby Lobby. They were about $4.99 each. And then as you can see, we're just going to use parchment paper to line the bottom of it. And then you can use whatever fruit of choice. We chose grapes, strawberries, and blueberries. And as you can see, I'm just going to be adding the fruit to the bottom of the tray. And you can put it in whatever order you would like, but I did end up cutting the strawberries in half just because I thought that it would give a little bit more of a pizzazz to it. So I'm just adding the grapes down first. Then I added the purple grapes to just add a little bit of variety. After that, I went down with the strawberries and then popped the blueberries in. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me as I make the charcuterie tray. So I did want to add that you can feel free to use any type of meats, cheese that you want, but this was for a first birthday party, so I just kind of kept it simple. You can, if you would like, cut the grapes in half for it to be kid friendly, but I just decided to keep it whole, and then if they wanted to cut it, they could cut it themselves. But the strawberries and everything else was pretty bite-sized. Overall, this is a super cute addition. I think that this would be a hit for any birthday party or even just like a girls' night in. You can use different type of letters, so you can spell out the person's name, or like if you wanted to just spell out a saying or a phrase, that would be super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I love you and see you next time.